Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a nationwide COVID-19 vaccination via video conference. The vaccination process will use CoWIN, an online digital program developed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This will facilitate real-time information on vaccine stocks and storage temperature. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan witnessed the launch of the vaccination program by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at AIIMS. Harshvardhan also monitored the vaccination process at the hospital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that normally it takes many years to make a vaccine, but in such a short span, not one but two made in India vaccines are ready. He said that the work on other vaccines is progressing at a fast pace. He also asked people to continue wearing masks and maintain social distancing. As many as 8,100 healthcare workers in Delhi are all set to get vaccinated against novel coronavirus today. Delhi has received around 2.74 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses from the centre, which will be inoculated approximately to 1.2 lakh health workers in the national capital. As many as 80 flights travelling from Delhi and 50 flights bound to Delhi airport have been delayed due to dense fog and other operational reasons. Delhi and nearby regions have zero visibility, and air quality in the NCR region also remained in a severe category. At least 19 trains have also been cancelled because of the fog situation. Messaging app Signal was down worldwide after adding millions of users to its bay in a short span of time, following a change in its rival WhatsApp's privacy policies. Signal said that it was working hard to restore the services as soon as possible. Both Telegram and Signal have added millions of users during the past few days. Baldev Singh Sirsa, leader of a protesting farmers' union who has been summoned by the National Investigation Agency, has alleged that it is a bid to derail farmers' protests. He said that they first tried to derail protests by the Supreme Court and now using NIA to do the same. Nepal's Foreign Minister Pradeep Kumar Gyawali met External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Gyawali is on a 3-day visit to India from January 14th to 16th. During his trip, he is expected to discuss COVID-19 related cooperation while also reviewing last year's border row between the two nations. He also met Defence Minister Rajnath Singh earlier in the day. Cricketers Krunal and Hardik Pandya's father Himanshu Pandya passed away due to a heart attack on Saturday. Krunal Pandya, who was playing for Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, would not be taking part in the remaining matches. India captain Virat Kohli took to Twitter to pay condolences to Hardik and Krunal.